on my range here.
That would have been.
Captain America.
All right. Got Bruce Banner. Oh! Oh my God! I got escape! Oh! Holy cow! No way! Look at that! Wow! Dude! Wow! That is sick!
You opened my phone.
Oh my gosh! Wow! My gosh, that is sick! Check that out!
So this is him.
Oh man! Yeah, dude, this is the sketch.
So like
Oh man!
the top marble artist literally
Oh boy!
drew that. The one of one.
Dude!
Venom.
Dude!
That's like Venom is like an S tier. It's like in the
Dude, that is sick!
like top 3, top 4 of
Wow!
highest collectible characters.
I mean, this is
Got the sketch look.
probably $1,000 card right now. Like,
Yeah.
it's
Easy. Easy.
You know what this is? It's Wolverine trade bait for me.
Yeah.
Dude, that is sick. Where are we gonna put this? Right there, right
You're
there.
getting
Right
closer.
there.